How do a power of attorney and trustee of a revocable trust work together? Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. I'm here to talk to you about all these things, right? If you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, I just had a conversation about power of attorney versus trustee with a client the other day. Client came in, spouse is suffering from Alzheimer's disease, and he is not sure how to proceed. They have a trust, they have powers of attorney, medical power of attorney, they have your sort of a traditional foundational estate plan when a trust is included. And he wasn't sure how things worked, A, with this diagnosis, but B, between the power of attorney and the trustee. In this case, the power of attorney, the backup power of attorney is different than the trustee. So we talked about it, and I thought it would be a great topic here as well. The trustee and the power of attorney have a very similar role. They just are in charge of different assets. Power of attorney and the trustee generally are in charge of managing the financial assets, financial sort of decisions of the people that they have been given the power from, whether they are incapacitated or not, quite frankly. Power of attorney works the moment you sign it. Trustee is in charge the moment the trust is created, and they have a fiduciary duty to act in the best interest of the people that have given them those powers. Now, the difference is the power of attorney is going to cover the assets that are in the name of the individual that has given the power of attorney. The trustee is going to be in charge of assets that are in the trust. This can be very different. Okay, they actually can have the same power in some instances as well, which I'll talk to you about and try to confuse you as much as I can. So in our firm, the way that we do our planning, when someone creates a trust, they often don't put many assets into the trust when it is created. They put real estate in there, business interests in there. That's about it. For financial accounts, investment accounts, checking, savings accounts, retirement accounts, and things like that, the way that those assets move into the trust is after death via beneficiary designation. So technically, while the creator of the trust is alive, their financial, liquid financial assets are still in their name. For this reason, or because of this, not for this reason, because of this, the power of attorney is the agent that is in charge of managing those assets. The trustee has no duty or authority to act using those assets at all. If those assets are moved into the trust, then the trustee would have the authority to do that. Now, here's a scenario where both could have the authority. If you have a bank account that is in your name, and then you create a trust, and then you add the trust on as a joint account holder with you individually, then your power of attorney would have access and your trustee would have access. Often these are the same people, so it's not that big of a deal. But if they are not, then this type of stuff comes into play. So hopefully that made sense. Power of attorney covers you personally while you are alive, and your trustee covers the assets that are in the trust while you are alive, and then also is in charge of those assets after you're gone. Okay, hopefully that made sense. If it did, that's great. Hit the like button, subscribe, follow if you don't want to miss out on sort of more fun estate planning and probate tips. If you have a question, leave a question. And if you want to talk with us, if you want our help, you can go to cmslawfirm.com, set up a free consultation with us, free strategy session. We would love to talk to you. All right, that is it for today. As always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. And I will talk to you again soon. See ya.